Okay, so this is the fan that I received, and I tried it out for a couple of days already, and this thing is like pretty awesome. So, when it came to me straight out of the box, it had like 70 or 69% battery still in it, and I didn't charge it. And I was using it last night and I fell asleep, so I slept the whole night. This was on, it was on level 2, and I think it only went down like a couple of, yeah, see, it's on 64 right now. So even though I had this thing on all night on level 2, the power or the battery only went down from like 69 to 64. So like 5%. I'd say that's pretty awesome because I was asleep for at least like 8 hours. The breeze is pretty nice. But if you need it higher, you can put it up to I think level 5. That's 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 levels. So and the breeze is pretty strong. I haven't had a chance to try out these other features, but I mean, if they're anywhere as good as just the battery power and this fan is really good. I really like it. I mean, it also comes with let's see, the handle so you can like hang it, or I think there's even a hook. Yeah, there's a hook on the bottom too to hang it from. This thing turns, so like if you need to change the direction, and then also from here, this turns too. So yeah, overall, I am really impressed with this fan. I really like it. And if you're needing a fan that's gonna last a while, but it's not too big, it's still small enough where I would consider this, you know, portable or travel to take it with you, I would definitely suggest you get this.
Okay, this is a video review of this outdoor fan. It is rechargeable battery, and right now it's been charging. I can't tell you if it's slow or fast because I did actually have to unplug it to charge other things, but you charge it there at the side, and I will show you what the fan looks like or sounds like. It's got a good I was gonna see if I can show you something to see if there's something I could show that would blow. I don't know. It actually does work. Just trust me on it. In fact, I feel kind of chilly. Let's see. I don't hear any difference in 4 or 5 or was it up? Did it go up to 6? I don't remember. I didn't hear it. Maybe you did. Let's see. Does it have a light? Well, okay. Okay. 3 lights. What's this one? I don't know. That's not doing anything. I'm not sure what that is, and I haven't read directions. I'm not going to press that. I don't want to have a timer going off. I'm not going to actually press those buttons. Sorry, guys. I don't know what they are, and I don't want, like I said, have some alarm going off or anything. Let's see here. What does that say? Parameters. Okay. So yeah, that's the fan. And the blades are, well, I want to say that's about 5 or 6 inches. Anyhow, I am really happy with it because I have to have fans. It's just my life. Okay, well, take care.